everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. So I saw the videos that people were posting about the Hobby Lobby clearance, and I stopped by one on my way home from work yesterday, and the store didn't have any clearance. So then I went by a second store today. Today is May 24th, 2022, and yeah, they had clearance. They didn't have any of the dies or stamps on clearance, but I did get some other things that I wanted to quickly share before I go and get everything put away. So the first thing is these cute little bows. They were only 99 cents. And these super cute stickers. And this looks like the Amy Tangerine type, and I have that paper pad, so that's why I picked up these. They were 74 cents. And these super cute like baby dinosaurs. I thought that this would just be so fun to have like in my baby stash collection. And those were $1.24. And these snowmen, these are gonna go in my Christmas stash. These were also $1.24. And then these baby bottles, I got a pink and a blue. They were 87 cents. These Halloween pumpkins, they're so cute and sparkly. They were only 87 cents. And then I got a bunch of these die cut packs. They were each $1.24. And this is a Christmas set. And it's 8 designs, 3 each. I think that's like a really good price. And they're pretty big size, so they'd be great for card making as well. I love this one. I would have gotten 2 if they had 2 of these, but these are like for individual holidays. So this one I will be breaking apart and putting into the appropriate areas that they go in my craft room. So this is like one of my favorites. It has all the holidays. I love that. And this is a wedding one, which I have a very similar paper pad that matches this, so I'm just going to add that to that collection. And then I did 2 of these. This is the blue for the baby, It's a Boy. And these are just so cute. I could not resist. And for that price and the amount of baby albums I make, I knew I wanted to get 2 of these in the boy, and then I went ahead and picked up the 2 in the girl because they're just so cute. I think I have a paper pad that goes to this too, so that will be good. Okay, and then for stickers, they had the baby girl set. And these are like chipboard stickers, so these are just good to add little touches to my albums. That was $1.74. And then, of course, you know, I had to pick up the my planner stickers. So this one is the Socialite. And, yeah, it's just fun stickers. And this will just go into my planner area. And then they had this one. And this was all occasions, which, again, this is probably more like of my favorite because it's all the holidays in one book. And this I can just have out all year. I might break it apart, but yeah, this is super fun for $4.99. And that was the only one of these ones that they had the clear covers missing, but that's okay. And then they had the clear adhesive dots. So these were only $1.24, and I picked up 2 of those. And this was not on sale, but they had the Zig glue pen for $3.49. This is like the glue stick that I use, and they're not always easily available. Last time I had to buy it online. And then I tried to use my Stays On ink yesterday, and it was completely dried out, which it's not even that old, and I couldn't find like the ink refill. So they had this, and it was 40% off of the $8.99, so this is a replacement item. And then they had, they did actually have a lot of paper pads on clearance, but I'm really picky about the paper, but I did these because they are like, to me, Christmas themed. This one says family vacation, but To me, it's more like vacation, Christmas theme. So I picked up this one. And what is this one called? Family Vacation. And this one is Pine Street Square. So this one was, yeah, both $2.49. So those are the only paper ones that I got. And then I found the laminating pouches, and they were on clearance for $3.24. I have a laminator. I do laminate stuff. Thanks so much for all you guys that posted that clearance was going on. I probably would have missed it had I not been watching YouTube. Hey everyone, so I just wanted to cut in here real quick and add this to my other video. So I went to a second Hobby Lobby that had some additional clearance, so I just wanted to add on what I picked up from there. So $1.24, these are the big sticker ephemera, and these are of the dogs. These are super cute. I'm totally a dog mom, so I had to pick these up, and I didn't see those at the other Hobby Lobby either. And then Easter eggs, I always will get the holiday things that are on clearance. These are super cute, pretty pastel-y colors. They were also $1.24. And then I found the baby sets of stickers. This is the baby boy and the baby girl. So I did get these sticker packs like this in these. So when I found these, I had to scoop them up, $1.24 each. They're so sweet. And then these cute bows. I found the little blue bows, but these weren't at the first one that I went to, so I scooped those up. And then I did get another package of pumpkins because they're super cute, only 87 cents. And this time I ended up picking up some paper. They had the fall spice, and this is just the cardstock. I primarily use this for card bases, and if I need to cut solid colors from my Cricut. And this was $1.49. Those are the colors. And then I did pick up this 12 by 12 paper pad. It's the North Pole Productions, and it has some really cute Christmas papers on here. I got it for $5.49. And I don't normally buy 12 by 12 paper, but because it's holiday, it's super thick cardstock. So yeah, I decided to go ahead and get this one while it was on clearance. So that's super fun. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of combine the videos instead of having two separate videos. So this is the second Hobby Lobby of their clearance. All right, thanks so much, guys. Bye.